Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
I'm in my workshop and I'm desperately trying not to get paint on this. And I'm not a neat person, but I feel like if I don't deal with this situation, it's never going to get done. So I think what I'm going to do is sand it down and then hit it with some of the chalked paint in, what color is this? Who knows? It was on clearance, French linen. But now I'm looking at it and I'm like, is this going to just scratch right off this image? Ew. Got an 80 grit here. Just going to scratch the surface of this. I know. You guys have been listening to a lot of sanding lately. Giving it a little texture. We need to give it something to stick to. I know, chalk paint sticks to everything. You don't have to do that. Don't tell me how to paint. I'm in this feisty mood today. Not gonna lie. I've got that trip coming up and it's starting to stress me out. So I just want to get some stuff done. And I'm in a feisty mood. This smells like a perm. Like for real, it's this. Why does this... It smells like epoxy. Somebody put epoxy on this? But anyway, I'm in a feisty mood. I don't know why. Just all stressed out and not sleeping well. Been waking up in pain every day, and it's starting to mess with me, y'all. Part of me's like, if I'm gonna be in pain every day, like I go to bed and I wake up in pain, is driving gonna be like really bad? I'm gonna drive for 2 days. Might be a bad idea. Anyway, we have ascended. Okay, so I'm gonna paint this in French linen. Let's get you guys moved down. I did give this a good shake. Now, if I remember correctly, I didn't like this paint, did I? But I think the color is kind of perfect for what I'm going for here, which is that creamy kind of taupey. That's not going to cover, is it? Look at that. Look at that terrible. Like no pigment. That's exactly what happened before, isn't it? I'm remembering. But see, that's the color I want. We have to prime this. Actually, instead, I'm going to go with an actual quality paint. This is Bungalow 47's chalk paint, and it will cover. The heck with that craptastic paint. I'm just done with it. I'm going to throw it in the garbage as soon as we're done here. Stacy ain't playing no more. Not playing. So I'm going to give this a new look. Goodbye, ugly picture. Told you I wasn't having it. I'm just not having it today. I'm sassy. I'm in a bad mood. But I want to give this a different look, and I think I'm going to use the label transfers that I got. Remember the little Frenchy label transfers, and do a label on here that's, you know, a black and white label transfer when this is dry, instead of the little cutesy picture, which I think is more popular right now anyway, right? Like, if you're going to put a picture on it, it should be something like a neutral. So that's my plan. It was going to be this color, but to heck with it. That's going in the trash. Instead, we got good paint, good quality paint from Bungalow 47. So I used to sell Bungalow 47. I don't anymore, just because I don't want to deal with selling paint. It's just it's a lot. I like this gray. This will be super pretty with that black transfer on it. I just felt like if I didn't do this, and I let this and the other one, which I'm going to grab that one right now. If I set these aside and didn't get them done, they were never going to get done. Like they were going to get lost in a pile, and I was going to be sitting here forever, like looking at it going, oh, that's right, I was going to do that. I was going to do that. Well, you know what? We're going to do it now. This will also get a label. Okay. I'm going to have to take it off there and smell this thing. Ugh. I'm getting way too detailed on this, aren't I? Yes, Stacy, you're way overthinking this. I want to make sure the inside lip of this is done. Just because I don't want to see it when it's sitting on a shelf. All right, let's let that dry. How's this one doing? Oh, I missed a spot. Did I miss a spot? Did I totally miss a spot? Yes. Look. Heck yeah, you missed a spot. It's bright white. All right. Now we'll let them dry. Okay. Nice thing is, with real chalk paint, it's going to be about 20 minutes instead of 4 hours. It's not 4 hours, but it is a couple hours. Normally, I have to let things dry before I can paint it when it's other paints. So we're going to let that dry, and we'll come back to it in a second. Okay, I got talking to my mother-in-law on the phone, and I kind of lost track of my night. It doesn't matter because these aren't drying. I did the second coat. I did the time lapse while I was talking to her. And this one's not so bad. It's still really wet down there. This is wet. Like there's a spot on this side that will not dry, and I don't know why. So we're going to leave these. I have all day tomorrow to be in my workshop, and it's the only day this week, the rest of this week. Because Saturday I have to work Vintage Junkie. Tomorrow I have wrecked my sweatshirt. Aw. I have, I'm watching my nephew in the morning, and then Victoria has an event. So maybe I'll have time tomorrow night, but, or not Friday night, but tomorrow I have all day in here, and we're going to finish these. They're going to get a label, and then I'm going to clear coat them with this. Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. Who knew this was a thing? Dishwasher safe! So that if somebody took this, like, picture and put flowers in it, and then they decided to wash it, it's dishwasher safe. I can't believe it. So it's a dishwasher safe gloss, which I'm not absolutely fond of, but it's dishwasher safe. There's an outdoor one too, which I'm going to have to try that at some point. You know I'm going to have to try that, and then we're going to have to leave some stuff out in the rain for a while. But I want to use this to clear coat it tomorrow, and then get either, I think I'm going to get the label on it and then clear coat it. Just because I don't want the label sitting on top of the clear coat. So we're going to get I picked 2 labels that I liked. One of them was like a cranberry company of a Boston label. And I'm going to put that on the candle. I don't know if this is a cranberry candle. I have no idea. I think it's apple. But whatever. It's going to be cranberry. And then cafe on the little pitcher. And then we'll clear coat it with this. So watch tomorrow. We'll get it finished. But tonight, I'm a pumpkin. Had some travel planning in with my mother-in-law, and then that's it. So while I talked to her on my headsets, I time-lapsed for you guys. So we got 2 coats on these. 2 coats is what it took to cover the cherries and stuff on that. This small piece, 1 coat was enough, but the cherries wanted to pop through this little candle. So that took 2 coats. I did the 2 coats just to make it even. We're going to let it dry. We're going to let it sit overnight, dry. We'll come back to it tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a beautiful day. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.